In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link buttons in your Weebly site. Adding links to buttons is a straightforward process that can enhance the functionality of your website, guiding your visitors exactly where you want them to go. Whether it's directing them to another page, an external website, or providing them with specific contact options, Weebly makes it easy to customize your buttons to suit your needs. To start, open your Weebly site editor and navigate to the button you wish to link. You'll want to click on the button, and you'll see options appear that allow you to edit various settings. Look for the option labeled Link and click on it. This is where you'll configure exactly where you want your button to direct your visitors. Once you click Link, you're presented with several linking possibilities. You can choose to link the button to a specific page within your Weebly site. Perhaps you have a services page or a special blog post you'd like to highlight. This is an excellent way to seamlessly integrate your site's navigation. Alternatively, if you want to direct visitors to an external website, you can do so by simply entering the full URL of that site. This is particularly useful if you're partnering with another business or recommending resources to your audience. Another handy feature is the ability to link a button to a phone number or an email address. Linking to a phone number is fantastic for mobile users because with one click, they can place a call directly from their device. Just make sure to enter the number in a format that will be recognized by most devices. As for linking to an email address, this feature can automatically open your visitor's email client with your address pre-filled in, making it easier for them to reach out to you with any questions or feedback. Choosing the right link option really depends on the intentions you have for your audience's experience. It's also worth mentioning that you can link a button to a file if you have downloadable documents or media you'd like to provide to your visitors. This could be particularly useful for newsletters, brochures, or any document you want to share directly. Once you've decided on the linking option that best suits your needs, simply apply it and you're done. Your button is now primed to guide your visitors exactly where you want them to go, enhancing their browsing experience. And that's all there is to it. Taking these small steps further enriches the interactivity and user engagement on your website. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you on your way to building a more dynamic Weebly site. If you have any questions or need further help, be sure to explore other resources or reach out for support.